write a poem dedicated to all women, the woman in me, the woman before me, and the woman to come. Woman, nurturer, goddess, sister, strong and weak, beautiful and flawed. Woman, ain't no easy for we stand tall, but still we give life for all. Woman, you glow and you grow even when you weep. Woman, sometimes you might feel weak, but never give in to defeat. Woman, to be you is to know deep love and pain. Woman, womanhood, it change. Woman, still a girl, but like a tall tree with nuff leaves. Woman, we pray for our brother and we sister them on we knees. Woman, look in the mirror and tell yourself, you mean a lot to me. Woman, big up mama and grandma, respect to the aunts and godmother. Woman, even if you not give life to another, woman, you still be. And you are all woman to me. Woman, sister, me nah let you down. Woman, me a hold your hand through ups and downs. Woman, leader of the tribe. Woman, you and I, we go through enough strife. Woman, but still we survive. Woman, the world not acknowledge you enough. Woman, we for always lift each other up. Woman, proud for know every one of uno. Woman, I'm glad for be a woman too. Woman, today and every day, now and forever, past and present, and to come, me salute every woman upon earth and those who are shine down upon us above.